Verification is one of the most important parts of the Forex.com setup. It's how you secure your funds and access full features. So go ahead to forex.com/create_score account, fill in your personal and financial details accurately. Forex.com will prompt you to upload two documents: a valid ID, passport, national ID, or driver's license, and proof of address, bank statement, utility bill, or tenancy agreement. Ensure the images are clear and uncropped. Verification AI can reject unclear uploads automatically. After approval, which usually takes under 24 hours, you'll receive an email confirming that your account is active. Once verified, you can deposit, withdraw, and trade instantly. Bonus tip: use Forex.com's built-in account metrics to monitor your trade history and risk ratio. Perfect for building discipline early on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.